My name is Dr Marlain Mubarak. I'm a consultant gynecologist and I specialize in severe endometriosis. I also look after couples who had been trying to get pregnant. I'm going to introduce to you today my miracle baby. Ruhi had come to me with her husband because they've been trying for a baby unsuccessfully for the last 12 months.
So we heard about Dr. Marlain Mubarak through a friend who also delivered in Kings much before me, and she told me that she's the best gynae in Dubai, and I would second it too. She saw the list of tests that I had already taken, and she was like, the 3 most important tests were not taken by any of the gynaes I had met before.
And just to add on, there were 200 tests. Dr. Marlain figured it out in 3 tests.
And told me the reason why I was not able to conceive.
The essential test, which is looking at the ovarian reserve, was not done. So we've just done that simple test and it showed significant problem. As a result of that, the only option for us was to try IVF, as that might give us a chance.
And the minute she told us that this is the reason, you know what, stop trying, it's not going to happen naturally, you will need a fertility treatment, which is where our journey to IVF started.
It's something which is a 3-letter word, but it has a lot of background to it. It's an emotional, it's a financial, it's a physical, it's a mental journey towards it. I would like to give credit to Dr. Marlain because if she was not there, the diagnosis would have been not there.
We were fortunate. We had 1 embryo only, which looked healthy, and that embryo had given us a fantastic, beautiful baby, which we all had been calling our miracle baby.
Once I conceived and everything was fine and we were discharged from our fertility clinic, we were back to Kings for our prenatal visits with Dr. Marlain Mubarak. All the appointments, every appointment so far, she was like, you know what, Ruhi and Ravi, this is a miracle baby and I am so lucky to actually experience this. And we were just so happy all the time. She was there throughout our appointments. She was there at every step of the way. Every time we had issues, she used to tell me what needs to be done, what doesn't need to be done, because we were coming from a very anxious journey as it is.
The doctor delivers a baby and gives the first thing in your hand, and that's the most special and beautiful feeling. And I think Dr. Marlain pushed me towards me being in the OT. I feel that is the beautiful feeling which all the fathers should do it rather than avoiding it.
Everything was done. On 1st of August, I delivered through C-section, and Dr. Marlain that day told me that, you know what, you should also take postnatal nursing visits that Kings provides. These services that are provided by the midwives, we've got an amazing midwife, Nicola, who comes home. She checks on my baby, she checks on me, my stitches, and any issues that we have. And it's been such an amazing experience so far. I think I've already recommended this to 2 of my pregnant best friends, and they are so ready to opt for these sessions that King's College London provide.